some rotors, oil brakes, mineral oil. Have some Maxxis Max Daddy tires. Have some ODI grips made in USA. Specialized Hot Rock Pro. I'm hoping to replace the front fork because it's not the best. The derailleur we're trying to get fixed. And
hanger.
yeah. And then we have another Maxxis tire. And that's basic. And then we have a little seat. I have to have some lights on, you know, for night riding. And then the tires contact the ground. Hey guys, we made it. So bad. Yo! Did you see that? Oh! Oh man, they really cleared out this area.
Don't go off to the left. The soft shoulder.
Oh man. Yo, I almost fell in. Yo, that's it. Okay guys, that is unfortunately the end of the video. If you liked it, give this a like and subscribe. And as always, send it.